Let's answer this question in today's video: what is a crypto mining farm? Crypto mining farms are large setups where digital currencies are created. Mining is how new coins enter circulation, with Bitcoin being the first to be mined back in 2009. As of early 2025, thousands of coins are out there, contributing to a market worth over $3.4 trillion, but only a handful of them can actually be mined. A crypto mining farm is essentially a hub where powerful computers team up to mine digital currencies. In simple terms, a crypto mining farm is a tech-driven facility where specialized computers, called mining rigs, work to solve complex mathematical problems to validate and secure transactions on a blockchain network. For each problem solved, new coins like Bitcoin are minted and added to the cryptocurrency world. Cryptocurrency farms can be massive, often filled with hundreds or even thousands of these rigs working non-stop. Bitcoin mining farms are a great example of this, requiring a lot of energy and special setups to keep things running smoothly. As of January 2025, in Texas alone, these facilities are expected to consume 54 billion kilowatt-hours, which represents about 10% of total forecast electricity consumption on the ERCOT grid. Managing Bitcoin mining farms takes careful planning, as they need significant electricity and cooling to keep running efficiently. In 2024, total energy usage reached approximately 110 terawatt-hours, comparable to the annual consumption of entire countries. Expanding the number of machines increases the farm's ability to mine more coins, making growth key to success in this space. Mining farms serve as the engine that powers cryptocurrency creation while safeguarding the integrity of the blockchain system. Mining farms aren't one size, they come in different sizes to meet various goals. At the top are industrial mining farms, massive operations featuring warehouses full of rigs optimized for maximum output. Another mining farm comprises of mid-size setups, usually run by smaller companies, focus on balancing costs with profitability. For individuals, home mining farms offer a personal way to mine cryptocurrency, although they face challenges in keeping up with larger players. Beyond physical setups, alternatives like cloud mining have gained popularity, allowing users to rent mining power remotely. Creative approaches also exist, such as mining with renewable energy sources or repurposed hardware for a greener, cost-effective solution. Cryptocurrency mining farms are like powerhouses for mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. They allow both individuals and businesses to combine resources, creating a far more cost-effective way to mine. Thanks to economies of scale, mining at these farms is more affordable than doing it on your own. With cutting-edge hardware and optimized systems, farms make mining profitable and efficient. Moreover, they're key players in securing the blockchain, verifying transactions, and keeping the system decentralized. As of early 2025, over 70% of mining firms globally have integrated renewable energy sources to mitigate environmental impacts, driven by both regulatory incentives and rising electricity costs.
Intelligence Studio. Do subscribe and like the video.
Let's talk of challenges and costs of running a mining farm. Setting up your own cryptocurrency mining farm requires some serious planning. The first big hurdle is the electricity cost for mining rigs to run non-stop, which can quickly make your power bills soar. In 2025, the cost of electricity can range from 0.6% to 2.3% of US electricity consumption. Then, there's the need for cooling systems. The machines can overheat and require costly repairs, thereby slowing down your operations. The upfront cost for mining rigs is hefty, and maintaining them requires expertise to ensure they run smoothly. In 2025, the average power cost per mined Bitcoin in the US increased significantly, making it challenging for casual miners. In other words, it's not just about buying equipment, it's about investing time and money into a system that can handle the demands of mining at scale.
And do subscribe to the channel.